For week 3, we are going to get into retrieving data from multiple tables. So you're going to start with going through chapter 4 in your book. Make sure you read through that. And then you're going to go through the lecture demo. So this pulls out key points from the chapter. And what I've done in this lecture demo is I've actually included a lot of graphics so you can kind of visually see how these joins work. And at least for me, I'm very visual, so that really helps understand, what happens to the data in your query when you do a join. And joins are super important. They will be in your certification exam. They will also be in certification exams down the road. So you will not only see questions about them in this certification exam, but the software development fundamentals certification exam also includes questions on joins. So they are super important. So what I've done is I've got these joins, then I kind of give you a summary here, and then we go through each one. I've got the graphic and I've got the syntax, plus I've got lots of examples and links where you can go and practice them live. Once you go through that, you're going to complete the textbook assignment. The textbook assignment, I have included videos for every single task that explain, what you're doing and show you how to complete it. These are directed lessons, okay? So there's always going to be a video with a task, and you're going to be asked to do very specific things. Between the examples and the exercises in your textbook assignment and the ones that I have given you in your key point lecture, you should be able to complete the lab assignment. So you're going to need to go back and look at those exercises, those examples, because the lab assignment is not directive. Okay, you create your own queries. And so I've actually created a video that explains this, and I've also included some examples in here. To help you, I've given you a couple examples, but these are not the ones that I want you to key in. You need to come up with your own query. You're going to be applying what you learn here, because that is really the only way to understand how to do this. And you have to apply it on your own. If you have trouble or questions or something's not working, please reach out. I have office hours in live stream. They're posted here. Just use the link to get in. You can also email me. I am online pretty much every day. So make sure you email my NMC address, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So that is the lab assignment. That is, in my opinion, where all of the learning is going to occur. You're going to be reading about it. You're going to be practicing it in the textbook assignment, and then you apply it. The unit quiz is on the first 4 chapters, and these are not your normal true, false, multiple choice questions. The questions that you see, the format of the questions are very similar to your certification exam. So you will see drop-down lists that you have to pick things from. You will see questions that have more than one answer. And in that case, it'll tell you how many you have to pick. It'll ask you the question, it'll say, choose 2 or choose 3. You might see a, question that has you organizing code, dragging blocks of code around. These are the kind of questions that you will see on the certification exam, and that is why I've included them here. Now, unlike the certification exam, this is not timed. Okay, the certification exam does have a time limit. This does not. There's no time limit on this. It is open book, open note, and you can take it 3 times, and then Moodle will store your highest score. The certification exam is timed and it's closed book. Okay. So these unit quizzes are really designed to prepare you for those certification tests. So if you have questions or maybe you don't understand why you got something wrong, let me know because I can go in and take a look. Please fill out this little survey on how the online class is going. And if you come down here to course resources, anything that you did not understand in this week's material, you will notice that I have YouTube videos on literally everything. And if you prefer looking at the slides as opposed to, reading through the book, I've got the author's slideshow here that you can view too. So hopefully you guys all have an awesome week. I personally think doing these select queries with joins is fun. So I know I have a strange idea of fun, but again, if you guys need help or you need some ideas for the lab assignment, please reach out because I'm here to help you.